Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is The Gift of the Magi, the famous short story by the great story writer O. Henry. From this short story, I have selected or prepared 60 MCQ or multiple choice questions. And these questions are divided into two parts for your convenience. Otherwise, the video would be much longer as well as boring too. So, at first, I am going to present 30 questions in the first part and the rest 30 in the second one. I think these questions will help the students to have a clear understanding of the essay and its content. And before starting, I would like to request everyone to subscribe the channel in order to have the content in no time. This is first part. Here I am going to explain first 30 MCQ questions. Okay. Number 1. The actual name of O. Henry is, there are 4 options. You know that O. Henry is the pen name of William Sidney Porter. Okay. So the correct answer is option 4. Then number 2. O. Henry was born in, we know the lifespan of O. Henry, it is from 1862 to 1910. So he was born in 1862. Then number 3, O. Henry died in, so it's clear from his lifespan, that is 1910. Then number 4, O. Henry belongs to, you all know that O. Henry is an American short story writer, so he belongs to America. Then The Gift of the Magi was published in, it is 1906, and it was published in the collection named The 4 Millions. So the correct option is 1. Then number 6, The Gift of the Magi was published in the collection named, so it is already told, The 4 Million. Okay. Then number 7, The 4 Million contains dash short stories. Actually, there were 25 short stories in this collection. Clear? So, the right answer is 25, option 3. Then, the 4 million refers to the dash of the setting. Actually, the title 4 million suggests the contemporary population of the New York City. So, the correct answer is 4, that is population. Clear? Then number 9. Dash is the setting of The Gift of the Magi. You know, it's an American short story by O. Henry and the setting is the New York City. Okay. So, the setting is New York. Okay. Number 4. Then number 10, The Gift of the Magi deals with, that is the main theme. You know that the main theme of this short story is love and sacrifice. Actually, love prompts the main characters, Jim and Della, to sacrifice their most valuable things or their priceless things. That is the wristwatch and another Della's golden hair. So, the option is selfless love. And sacrifice is also there, but it's not mentioned. So, selfless love is the correct answer. Number 1. Then 11. The Magi were dash wise men. You know that the Magi were 3 wise men from east. So, the correct answer is 2, 3. Then number 12. The Magi belong to, it's also clear, they belong to east. Okay, eastern countries, not west. The Magi belong to east because they came from east to greet the newborn babe, that is Jesus Christ, on the occasion of his birth. Then number 13. the Magi brought dash items as gifts. We all know that they brought 3 items, and these are gold, frankincense and myrrh as gifts for newborn Jesus. So the Magi brought how many items? Total 3. The right answer is 3. Number 1 option. Then 14. The Magi brought gifts for the occasion of the birth of Jesus Christ, that is Christmas, option 2. Then 15. One of the gifts of the Magi was. So, as I have already told you, the 3 gifts were gold, frankincense and myrrh. So, the right option is gold. Okay. Then 16. By mentioning the Magi, O. Henry alludes the verb form of allusion. Okay. So, in this short story, we find biblical allusion, and it's found in the title as well as in mentioning King Solomon and also Queen Sheba. Okay. So, by mentioning the Magi, O. Henry alludes obviously the Bible, because Magi are found in the Bible. Okay. Then number 17. The Magi were guided by. You all know that the Magi came from east with gifts for newborn babe Jesus, and they were guided by the star. Okay. So, guiding star. God, moon, the sun. No, the right option is 4. Star. Then number 18. The gift of the Magi contains a dash social picture. Let us see the options: realistic, idealistic, fantastic, ironical. Obviously realistic, because throughout the story we find the poverty or the poor condition of the main characters, especially the condition of Della. So it's a realistic picture of the then American society. So in this sense, the picture is realistic one. Okay. Then 19. The plot of the gift of the Magi opens on the day of. Okay. Never confuse Christmas or Christmas Eve. Actually, Della wanted to buy gifts for Jim on the occasion of Christmas, but the day was Christmas Eve. That is one day before the Christmas. So the right answer is 2. Christmas Eve, not Christmas. Okay. Then 20. The Magi represents. Okay. Before seeing the option, the Magi means wise men, 3 wise men from the east. So the option should be not love, brotherhood, wisdom, sacrifice. Obviously wisdom, as they were wise men. Then 21. The amount Della saved was $1 and how many cents? 87 cents. Clear? Well, this is the opening line of the short story. $1 and 87 cents. So the right option is 1. Then 22. Out of Della's savings, the pennies were dash cents. Okay. Pennies means old US coins. Okay. So there were 60 cents. You know, it's also mentioned in the text very explicitly. Okay. So the right option is 2. Then 23. Della counted her savings. How many times? 1, once, twice, 3 or 4. The right answer is 3. 3 times she counted her savings. Okay. Then number 4. There was clearly nothing to do but what? Because she was totally helpless. Because her savings was too little to buy a handsome gift for Jim, but to cry or flop down. Okay. So there is also howling and flop down. Both are there in the text, but the first option is flop down. Okay. 24, 4. Then 25. So Della did it. Here it refers to what? Crying or howling. Okay. So the option is 4. Then 26. The predominating thing in life as hinted by O. Henry is regarding Della's howling or crying. O. Henry mentions 3 terms: sobs, sniffles and smiles, and he also hints that the predominating thing is obviously sniffles. Okay, so the right answer is 1. Okay. Then 27. Let's see. Succeeding from the first stage to the second. So the 3 stages are sobs, sniffles and smiles. Clear? So the first is sobs, and second is sniffles, and third is smiles. From first stage to the second. So the answer is sobs, because the first stage is sobs, second is sniffles, and the last one is smile. Okay, so 2. Then 28. Succeeding from the first stage to the second. So it's also clear from the previous question. The first stage is sobs, second is sniffles, and the last one or the third is smiles. So second is obviously sniffles. Next, 29. A furnished flat at $dash per week. So the flat in which they used to reside was of $8 per week. Okay, it's found in the text clearly. So the right option is 8. Then last one, or number 30. Mendicancy squad refers to US police who arrest criminals, beggars, ruffians, smugglers. Actually, you know that USA or United States of America is very developed country and there are no beggars, but a few persons who are too lazy and they beg. So there is a squad or police, group of police who arrest these persons. So mendicancy squad refer to the police who arrest beggars as well as homeless persons. So homeless is not found in the options, so the correct option is beggars. Okay, so 30 questions are completed. Thank you.